Hi dear students, welcome to our channel Exam Side Mathematics by Pani. Here the questions from Parabola, you already aware of that. Conic sections, we are in that preparation 2026 MZ J mains type questions we are discussing in this. Just I am go through in that. How many students are going to come for the live session? Okay. Okay. Yeah. Dear students, welcome. Good morning all. Here the question, equation of tangents drawn from 1, 4 to the parabola y square is equal to 12x are. Options are provided. It's a simple question. So first y square is equal to 12x. Here compare this equation with y square is equal to 4ax. 4a is equal to 12. So a is equal to 3. Okay dear students, I hope you understand. Next, the equation of tangent with slope m to the parabola is y m square x minus my plus a equal to 0. What is a in this 3 now? So it will becomes m square x minus my plus 3 equal to 0. Equation 1 passing through which point? 1, 4. Equation 1 passing through 1, 4. So wherever x, y is there, replace with 1, 4. So m square minus 4m plus 3 equal to 0. So factorization, m minus 1 into m minus 3, dear students. So from this, m is equal to 1, m is equal to 3. M is equal to 1, substitute in equation 1, you get one of the tangents. M is equal to 3, substitute, you will get another tangent. So here, if m is equal to 1, then x minus y plus 3 equal to 0. If m equal to 3, then 9x minus 3y plus 3 equal to 0. So dividing by 3, 3x minus y plus 1 equal to 0. So these two are required equation of tangents for the parabola. So these values x minus y plus 3, 3x minus y plus 1 is there in the first option, dear students. I hope everyone understand that. This is the standard formula regarding the equation of tangent with slope m to the parabola y square is equal to 4x. Okay. Now move to another question. The equation of locus of point of intersection of perpendicular tangents. First, very important thing is the equation of locus of the point of intersection of perpendicular tangents. This is very important. To the parabola. To the parabola is directrices. Directrix simply. So what is the directrix of this parabola? First we need to reduce into simplest form. So simplest form means general form. X square minus 4x plus 4y minus 8 equal to 0. x square minus 4x equal to minus 4y plus 8. To make the perfect square, we are adding on both sides 4. So minus 4x plus 8 plus 4, x minus 2 whole square is equal to minus 4x plus 12 minus 4 take common x minus 3. Am I right? X minus 2 whole square. This equation you have to compare with x minus h whole square equal to sorry minus 4a into this is y, sorry, 4y minus y minus k. So on comparing both sides, h comma k is equal to 2 comma 3 and minus 4a is equal to minus 4, a is equal to 1. Got it now? For this type of equation of parabola, equation of directrix, I want directrix equation, that is the required answer, directrix. Equation of directrix to this parabola is, this is downward parabola with vertex h comma k. So that time y minus k minus a equal to 0. So h comma k values are there, a value is also there, a is equal to 1. So y minus k value 3, a value is 1. So y minus 3 minus 1, y minus 4 equal to 0, which is the required equation of locus. It is there in the fourth option, dear students. I hope you understand. We will move to another set of questions. It's a good question conceptually. Two tangents to y square equal to 4ax make angles theta 1 comma theta 2 with x-axis. X-axis means axis of the parabola. If cos theta 1 into cos theta 2 is equal to k, then the locus of point of intersection of these tangents is. So options are provided. It's a good question and big question little. X square equal to k square into x minus a whole square plus y square. X square equal to k square into x plus a whole square plus y square. X square equal to k square into x minus a whole square plus 4y square. 4x square equal to k square into x plus a whole square plus y square. So this is the way the question is. See how you are going to perform based on that. So first, the two tangents for the parabola y square is equal to 4x. The equation of tangent with slope m to the parabola y square is equal to 4ax is m square x minus my plus a equal to 0. It is a quadratic equation, then it has two roots m1 and m2 respectively that are called tan theta 1, tan theta 2. m1 is equal to tan theta 1, m2 equal to tan theta 2. So sum of the roots and product of the roots calculate here. m1 plus m2 equal to y by x. Later on, m1, m2 equal to c by a, that means a by x. And condition provided that, given condition, cos theta 1 into cos theta 2 is equal to k. That implies that squaring on both sides, cos square theta 1 into cos square theta 2 is equal to k square. So what is the purpose you are doing? Squaring on both sides. In terms of tan is there, here cos is there. Reciprocal of cos is what? Secant. So I am writing the reciprocals. 1 by k square is equal to 1 by secant square theta 1 into secant square theta 2. Now cross multiplication and get it. Secant square theta 1 into secant square theta 2 is equal to k square. So what is secant square theta in terms of tan? Secant square theta in terms of tan. 1 plus tan square theta 1 into 1 plus tan square theta 2 is equal to k square. Okay. Later, from here, wherever tan square theta 1 is there, replace with 1 plus m1 square into 1 plus m2 square is equal to k square. So, by simplifying, 1 plus m1 square plus m2 square plus m1 square m2 square is equal to k square. Okay, till here understand? 1 plus, it is in the form of a square plus b square. We can write it as a plus b whole square minus 2ab now. So, m1 plus m2 whole square minus 2m1 m2 plus m1 m2 whole square is equal to k square. So, wherever m1 plus m2 is there, replace with y by x. m1 m2 is there, a by x you have to replace. So, 1 plus, this is y by x whole square minus 2 into a by x plus a by x whole square is equal to k square. So, now we are going to simplify 1 plus y square by x square minus 2a by x plus a square by x square is equal to k square. LCM x square is this. So x square plus y square minus 1 of the x cancel 2ax plus x square once 1 into a square is equal to k square. So that implies that cross multiply x square plus y square minus 2ax plus a square is equal to k square x square. X square minus 2ax plus a square is the expansion of x minus a whole square plus the rest of the term y square this side is equal to k square x square. So wherever the options are there, k square x square, you need to somewhere else we did mistake. So reciprocal it won't be, no. So k square is equal to, secant square means it is 1 by k square. I am very sorry, dear students. This is the way we did mistake. We committed mistake. This is k square itself. I did not. 1 by. Here. So 1 by. So wherever k square is there, 1 by k square. 1 by k square, dear students. So this is x square by k square. So k square will be decided. So this option is there in k square into x minus a whole square. Therefore, the locus, the required locus. K square into x minus a whole square plus y square is equal to x square. So it is there in the first option, dear students. Once you verify whether it is correct or not, yes, it is absolutely correct. Those who are watching first time, please like and share. We should encourage our teaching staff. Why? Because nowadays the youth are not coming for the teaching profession. Why? Because nowadays the education system is different. That is the reason most of the youth, they are not coming to the teaching side. So one and only one reason, nowadays the students-teacher relation is not at all in the healthy atmosphere from student side as well, especially the parents are because of over pampering of this child. I won't accept, I'm sorry to say that, but it will be, this is the reality. What happens in the system. Not only teacher but also parent for that. Teacher only for the education it will be. Later, the responsibility of the thing is parent itself. But that we are forgetting to, we will give it the good knowledge. Please encourage such those who are giving freely the coaching for developing content. Nowadays, tech news all are available in YouTube channel, but nowadays subject is not there. Unfortunately, this was happened. A focal chord of parabola y square is equal to 4ax subtends a right angle at vertex, right angle at the vertex, if the tangents at the extremities, of chord intersect on first option, x plus a equal to 0, x plus 2a equal to 0, x plus 3a equal to 0, x plus 4a equal to 0. Okay, students. Next, another question. It is given the JEE Mains 2020 January session. If y is equal to mx plus 4 is a tangent to both the parabolas, y square is equal to 4x and x square equal to 2by, then b equal to, so options 128 minus 128 minus 64 minus 32. So these are the options, dear students. A focal chord of the parabola y square is equal to 4x subtend a right angle at the vertex. A tangent at the extremities of the chord intersects. Any idea about how to solve this problem? Here, 1 minute. Ink was flown, dear students. So overflow ink. So this is the parabola y square is equal to 4x. This is the focus. A focal chord of the parabola means, so this is the focal chord of the parabola. This is focal chord. This is some point P of T1. P of T1 means 81 square comma 281. This is Q of T2. 82 square comma 282. Focal chord subtend a rectangular vertex. This is the vertex. So that means here and here makes a right angle at vertex. Okay, students. So first, what happens when it is a right angle? P of T1 means it is 81 square comma 281. This is 82 square comma 282. These two lines are perpendicular, no? So slope of PA is equal to m1 y2 minus y1 by that means 281 minus 0 by 81 square minus 0. So one of the T1 AA cancel 2 by T1. Similarly, slope of PB, sorry, AQ, QA, M2 equal to 2AT2 by AT2 square. So T2 get cancelled, 2 by T2. Since PA and QA are perpendicular, since PA is perpendicular to QA, that implies M1 into M2 equal to minus 1. The product of two slopes equal to minus 1. So that implies that 2 by T1 into 2 by T2 is equal to minus 1. 4 equal to minus T1 T2. That implies T1 T2 is equal to minus 4. Okay, till here we got it. What is the use of this one? They are asking the tangents at the extremities of the chord intersect on. See, from here, I will draw with the other sketch. So, from here, one tangent will be there. This is one tangent. This is another tangent. It is intersecting on it. The point of intersection of tangents. What is the point of intersection of tangents? Equation of tangent at P of T1 is yt1 is equal to x plus at1 square. Okay. Similarly, equation of tangent at P2, yt2 is equal to x plus at2 square. So if you subtract, these two will be cancelled. Y take common, t1 minus t2 is equal to a into t1 square minus t2 means t1 minus t2 into t1 plus t2. Am I right? So t1 minus t2 will cancel. Y is equal to a into t1 plus t2. If you substitute this value in any one of the tangents, you get x is equal to a into t1, t2 will come. You substitute these students. So in place of y, a t1, t2, if you substitute, a t1 square is going to get cancelled. A t1, t2 is the remaining. So intersecting on the directrix line. So therefore, point of intersection of tangents x comma y is equal to a t1 t2 comma a into t1 plus t2. So it lies on directrix. What is directrix of this parabola? X plus a equal to 0 only, no? Point of intersection. So here a value, how it comes? X plus a equal to 0 is the directrix. What is T1, T2 value? We got it here. X is equal to this is x coordinate, this is y coordinate. X is equal to A into T1, T2. T1, T2 minus 4. That implies x is equal to A into minus 4. That locus they are asking here. So that implies x equal to minus 4a. So x plus 4a equal to 0. So for this, the point of intersection of these tangents, this is one tangent, this is another tangent. So point of intersection of tangents is x plus 4a equal to 0. It is there in the fourth option, dear students. This is the way you can do that. Now come to this question, JMN's 2020 question. It is January session they asked it. If y is equal to mx plus 4 is a tangent to the parabolas. First parabola, given parabola y square is equal to 4x. That implies 4a is equal to 4. That implies a equal to 1. Okay. So y is equal to mx plus a by m now. Y is equal to mx plus 4. This line is tangent to this one. This is C value, this is M is 1, 2. Equation 2 is a tangent to equation 1. Then C is equal to A by M. What is C value? 4. Equal A value is what? 1. M value, M is 0. So M is equal to 1 by 4. We got it, M value. Okay. So this equation will becomes what? Y is equal to 1 by 4 into x plus 4. Again it is in the form of y is equal to mx plus c. Y is equal to mx plus c is tangent to x square is equal to 4ay. Then condition c is equal to minus am squared. You remember it, students. So this is m value, this is c value. Okay, mc we got it. Next, what is the given equation? Second equation, x square is equal to 2by. Equation number 3. Here 4a is equal to 2b, a is equal to 2b by 4, a is equal to b by 2. So a value we got it, c value we got it, m value also we got it. So therefore equation, this is equation number 4. You take this is equation number 4, this is equation number 3. Okay. Equation 3 is tangent to equation 4. Then we have this condition. What is c in this? C value 4 equal to minus a value b by 2, m value 1 by 4 whole square. So 4 equal to minus b by 2 into 1 by 16. 16 4s are 64 into 2, 128. So minus 128 equal to b. So they are asking to find b value. B value is minus 128. This is very, very, very important, yes, students. Whatever I am making a mark, this condition. This line touching the parabola, then the condition. Even here also condition. Combination of questions is very good question. more question. I'll finish it with this question. This question also JEE Mains 2020 January session. If one end of the focal chord AB of a parabola y square is equal to 8x is at a of 1 by 2 comma minus 2, then the equation of tangent to it at point B is 2x plus y minus 24 equal to 0, 2x minus y minus 24 equal to 0, x minus 2y plus 8 equal to 0, x plus 2y plus 8 equal to 0. So first you need to calculate b value, dear students, so then only it will be wait a minute, dear students. Dear students, here one of the end of the focal chord AB of the parabola y square is equal to 8x is at 1 by 2 comma minus 2. This point belongs to where? Fourth quadrant. See, draw the rough figure of given parabola y square is equal to 8x. Here 4a is equal to 8, a is equal to 2. Later, what we have to do is, this is the parabola y square is equal to, this is the focal chord, this is a, why? Because 1 by 2 comma minus 2 it is in the, this is vertex. This is b. It is denoted by so first one is, if it is one of the vertices a by t square comma minus 2a by t, see check, we'll see that a value is 1, 2, no? A by t square is equal to 1 by 2. A value is 2. So that implies 2 by t square is equal to 1 by 2. T square is equal to 4, t is equal to 2. Why? Because we want to calculate this point, t positive itself. So here other point is 80 square comma 280 only, no. So B point is 80 square comma 280. So B point, A value 2, T square means 4, comma 2 into A value 2, T value 2. So B of 8 comma 8. This is x1, this is y1. At x1 comma y1 to the parabola, the equation of tangent at P of x1 comma y1 to the parabola, y square is equal to 4ax is y1 minus 2a into x plus x1 equal to 0. Dear students, keep in mind this is the formula for equation of tangent at x1 comma y1 to the given equation of parabola. Everything is available here. A value we have, x1, y1 values also we have. Therefore, y into y1 value 8 minus 2 into x1 plus 8. So 8y minus 4x minus 32 equal to 0. So throughout dividing by 4, why? Because all are 4 multiples. 2y minus x minus 8 equal to 0. If we simplify, you will get it the answer. See, multiplying by minus x minus 2y plus 8 equal to 0. X minus, this is the required equation of tangent at the another end of the focal chord. This is the focal chord, yes students. You are aware of it? So it is there in the third option. It is given in JMN's 2020. Regularly, maximum I try my best. Now we are in that parabola questions, ellipse questions. I will come to the sessions in hyperbola. All I will complete it in not only this channel, in other channel also. Thank you for your support. Jai Hind, exam side mathematics by Pani. Thank you all.